Dear students, hope all are doing good. Today, let us learn few more questions from areas related to circles. Okay, so the question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc and the area of sector formed by the arc. Is it? So, what is given in the question? A circle, is it? Of radius 21 centimeter. So we can tell let O be the center of the circle and the radius. Okay? OA and OB. What is the radius? 21 centimeter. Now, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Is it? So, here AB is the arc. Okay, and it makes an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, children. Now our question. Find the length of the arc. So here, let it be P. So we have to find the length of APB. Yes, children. And the area of the sector formed by the arc. Okay, so first we are going to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc. Here, this is the corresponding arc of minor sector. That's it, children. So, what is the formula? S. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Is it clear? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. Now, here, what is theta? 60 degree. So, 60 degree by 360 into 2 into pi value. What is pi? S. 22 by 7 into radius. What is the radius? S. 21. Okay. Now, here 6 and 36. 6 times. 7 and 21. 3 times. Is it? Okay. Again. 6 and 3, 2 times, 2 and 2, we can cancel. So what is the answer? S, 22 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the arc of a chord is 22 centimeter. Clear? Now, the second question is, we have to find the area of the sector formed by the arc. So here, the sector means, you know, minor sector, is it? So what is the formula? S, area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Is it? Okay. Now what is theta here? 60. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Is it? So here 6 times 21 and 7, 3 times, 6 and 3, 2 times, 2 and 22, 11 times, is it? So now we have what? 11 into 21, is it?
Here the answer is equal to 231 centimeters square. Moving to the next question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle with radius equal to 14 centimeter. The length of the arc AB equal to 13.2 centimeter. Find the area of the sector of the circle.
Here in the question, we have to find the area of the sector, is it? And we all know, for finding the area of the sector, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square, where we have to know the value of theta. But in this question, the value of theta is not given to us, is it? So first we have to find the value of theta, then we have to find the area of the sector, is it? So for finding that, they have given us a condition, that is AB, the length of the arc is equal to 13.2 centimeter. This is correct. So we all know length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Is it? So from this question, how can we write theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 13.2. Is it? Okay, now theta by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 14 is equal to 13.2. Is it? Now we can cancel here 2 times. Is it? Okay, again can we cancel here? Yes. 2 and 36, 180, 22 and 180, 90 and 11. Is it children? Again. 2 and 90, 45. Okay, now what is remaining? Theta into 11 by 45 is equal to 13.2, is it? So what you have? Theta by 45 into 11 is equal to 13.2. So from this, what is theta? Theta is equal to 13.2 into 45 divided by 11. Is it? Okay, now we have to get the answer here, is it? So when we multiply this, what do we get? Theta is equal to 594 divided by 11. Okay, now what will be the answer? Yes, theta is equal to 54 degrees. So theta is equal to 54 degree. Clear? Okay, now we have to find the area of the sector. Is it? So we know that area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Is it children? Now what is the value of theta? Yes. 54 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Is it? Okay. Now can we cancel here? Yes. Is it? 7 and 14. 2 times. 360 and 2. 180. 180 and 22. 90. 11. Is it? Again can we cancel? Yes. Is it? 14. 7 times here. 45. Is it? Again 45 and 54. Can we cancel? Yes. How many times? 5 and 6. Is it? Okay. Now it is over. Is it children? Is there anything else? No. Is it? So what do you have? 6 into 11 into 7 divided by 5. Is it? Now what do you have? 462 divided by 5. When we divide, you get 92.4 centimeters square. So area of the sector is equal to 92.4 centimeters square. Okay. Next question. A hose is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rod. Find the area of the part of the field in which the hose can graze. And the second question, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, so what is given in the question? A square-shaped grass field. Okay, children? Okay, now a hose is tied to a peg at one corner. So let us consider this as the corner. Okay, a hose is tied with a 5 meter long rope. So the total length is how much? 15 meter. Okay, now here with a 5 meter, so we can take till here. Okay, so a hose is tied with a 5 meter long rope. Okay, children. So here the question is the area of the part of the field in which the hose can graze. Since it is a 5 meter long rope, the hose can go from this corner till 5 meters. Again from this corner to this side, only 5 meter the hose can go. So children, 5 meter. Now the area the hose can graze, it is only till this much. Yes or no? Is this the thing, children? Yes, the hose can graze till this. Okay. Now our question is we have to find the area of this field. Is it, children? Since it is a square, what will be the angle here? Yes, 90 degree. Is it? See, this is 5 meter. This is also 5 meter, which makes a sector over here. Is this a sector? Yes, is it? So, a sector with radius 5 meter and theta is equal to 90 degree. Is it? So, can we find the area of this? Yes, using the formula area of sector. Is it? What is that? Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Is it? So what do you have? 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now can we cancel anything? S. We can cancel here. Listen, what will be the answer? 4. Again, 4 and 22. How many times? S. 2, 11. Is it children? So what is the answer? 11 into 25 by 2 into 7. Is it? So 11 into 25 is 275 divided by 40. Is it children? So when you divide, you will get the answer as 19.64. Okay.
So the answer is 19.64 meters square.
Here the second sub question. The increase in the grazing area of the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Is it children? So here, instead of 5 meter, what are we going to take? 10 meter. Is it? So if we take 10 meter, let it be 10 meter. Okay children, the same way from here to here, let it be 10 meter. Okay, so the horse can graze till this much. Yes or no? Now our question is, what is the increase in the grazing area? How much it is increased? When it was 5 meter, this was the area. When it is 10 meter, this complete. This is the area. So what will be the increase? S. You have to subtract both. Then you will get the increase in area. That's it. So first we will find with 10 meter rope, what is the area the horse can graze. Okay. So if it is 10 meter, how can you write? Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now what is theta? 90 degree. 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into. First the radius was 5 meter. Now it becomes how much? 10 meter. Is it? Into 10 into 10. Is it? So by 4. 4 and 11, 2, 2 and 10, 5. Is it children? So what will be the answer? 11 into 50 by 7. Is it? So what is that? 550 divided by 7.
The answer is 78.57 meters square. Now, when the rope was 5 meter long, the area of grazing is equal to 19.64 meters square. And when the rope was 10 meter long, the area of grazing is equal to 78.57 meters square. Now we have to find the increase in area. Is it children? That is 78.57 meters square minus 19.64 meters square. That is equal to 58.93 meters square. Therefore, the increase of area in grazing is equal to 58.93 meters square.
Moving to the next question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Is it? So, here the top of the umbrella is considered as a flat circle. Let this be the top of the umbrella. And it consists of 8 ribs. See, 8 ribs are there which are equally spaced. Okay. And here the question is, we have to find the area between the two consecutive ribs. So if I am taking 1 and 2, these are two consecutive ribs. Is it clear? So we have to find the area between these. Is it clear? Area between this. Any two consecutive ribs you can choose. Okay. So this makes a sector here. Is it? So you know to find the area of the sector. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Here radius is 45 centimeter. We have to know theta. Is it? That is the angle. See here the total angle is 360 degree. Is it? This 360 degree is divided into S. 8 parts. Is it children? So what will be the answer? S 360 divided by 8 gives you 45 degree. So each angle is 45 degree. Is it clear? So we got theta is equal to 45 degree and the radius is equal to 45 centimeter. Now we can find the area. Is it children? Okay. So area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Is it? That is 45 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 45 into 45. is it? So what do you have? Can we cancel here? Yes, is it? So 360 and this 11, 180 again. Yes, 45 5 times, 180 20 times, is it? Again 20 and 45, here 4 times, here 9 times. That's all. Is it, children? So what is that? Yes, that's equal to 5 into 11 into 9 into 45 divided by 4 into 7. Is it? So, when we multiply the numerator, you will get 22,275 divided by 28. Okay. When we divide this, we will get 795.54 centimeters square. So this is the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Next question. In the figure, arc AB subtends angle theta at the center O of a circle having radius 20 centimeter. Find the area of the major sector and take pi is equal to 3.14. That's it. Okay. So what all things are given to us? A circle with center O and the radius is 20 centimeter and let the angle be theta. And one more thing is given to us. The length of the arc of the sector is equal to 15.7 centimeter. Okay. So here the question is we have to find the area of the major sector. Is it? So for finding the area of the major sector, as we know, we need theta. Is it? So finding the value of theta, they have given us one condition. Length of the arc is equal to 15.7 centimeter. Is it? So using that, we are going to find the value of theta. So what is that? Length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Is it? That is theta by 360 into 2 into 3.14 into 20 is equal to 15.7. Okay. Now here 0 got cancelled. 36 and 2 18 times, 18 and 2 9 times. Is it? So now what is remaining? As 3.14 into theta by 9 is equal to 15.7. Okay. So from here, theta is equal to 15.7 into 9 divided by 3.14. Okay. Now if you multiply and divide, you will get theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now we got the value of theta. Okay. So now using this value of theta, you are going to find the area of the major sector. Is it? So we all know the formula is area of major sector is equal to what, children? 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Is it? Now what is theta? 45 degree. So 360 minus 45 by 360 into 3.14 into 20 into 20. Okay. Now what is 360 minus 45? Yes. 315 degree by 360 into 3.14 into 20 into 20. Okay. Now 0 we can cancel. 2 and 36, 18. 18 and 20, 10, 9. Is it, children? Is there anything else? Now 9 and 315, is it? So 31, 3 times, 27, 45, 5 times, 35, is it? 35, is it? Okay. Now what is that? 35 into, that is equal to 35 into 3.14 into 10. Is it, children? So if we multiply, we will get the answer as 1099 centimeters square. So this is the area of the major sector. Okay.